time for a mildew buster. Let's measure out 1/4 cup of baking soda, the backbone of our homemade paste. Next, add just a tablespoon of water to the baking soda. This is where our mildew-fighting paste comes to life. Stir well to combine. Add more water or baking soda as needed. With our paste ready, it's time to apply it to those troublesome mildew spots. Just a thin layer will do. Give it a good scrub with a soft bristled brush. Rinse off the paste to reveal a clean, mildew-free surface. Your home is now fresher and safer. For a super easy organic mildew eradicator, grab your spray bottle and listen up. First, add 1 cup of cheap vodka to the sprayer. It turns out vodka is a fierce fighter against mold and mildew. Then, we're going to add 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Because if you're going to clean, it might as well smell like a spa, right? Next, to keep things fresh and zesty, let's add 10 drops of lemon oil. It's like bringing a little bit of sunshine into your cleaning routine. Now, pour in a cup of distilled water. It's better than tap water for this mix. You want a crystal clear solution. Give it a good shake, like you're mixing a cocktail. What you've got now is a fantastic mold and mildew cleaner that's ready to tackle even the toughest spots. Spritz it on the affected areas, then sit back, relax, and let it work for about 10 minutes. When it's time, grab a clean sponge and wipe away. You'll see that mold and mildew disappear. And just like that, no more mildew, no more mold, and your house smells like a lemon lavender dream. But wait, there's more! If you thought citrus oils were just for aromatherapy, think again. They're like the unsung heroes of the essential oil world when it comes to battling household fungi. For our next trick, we're going to mix up another easy solution. Start with 2 cups of water in a clean sprayer. Next goes 20 drops of citrus extract like lemon or orange or a mixture of the two. Your house will smell amazing. Give it a quick shake and spray mold and mildew without rinsing. The delightful scent is a bonus. Thanks so much for joining us today. We've armed you with the know-how to identify, tackle, and prevent mold and mildew in your home. Remember, the key is early detection and regular maintenance. Let's keep our homes mold-free and healthy. Start today, because a little effort goes a long way in protecting your space. If you've picked up some helpful tips, share your thoughts below and join our community. Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights to a naturally clean home. Your support inspires us to create more content